Let's see them and taste them. Ooh, they look golden brown as I love my marshmallow. Okay, so my mom's gonna get in the video and we're both gonna try the muffins.
Hi! Oh, this looks... Wait. Cookie cheers. Oh, you totally stole a bite before I did. This was not a bite together. Wow. Those are tender. Sweet. Muffin fantastic.
And blueberry-licious.
And blueberry-licious, absolutely. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.